My letter to you, sincerely yours. My letter to you. Hello, my love. Hope this finds you well. I am sitting here alone writing this letter with a smile. A letter from my loving heart, straight to your kind soul. It is a simple letter just to say I'm thinking of you. Quite what is just to say I miss you dearly. What is with a simple message to say I love you? All I want to do is show you how much I need you. How much I appreciate you and how much you are valued. You are a shining star with a gentle and warm glow. You light up my world and make every day special. And to be honest, you make my life complete. Sincerely yours. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment if you like this video. Otherwise, thank you.